Well, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to a virtual class. Next week, we will meet in lecture room 13 in Mechanical Engineering Building 1, third floor. So next week, your speakers will have a chance to do their presentations in front of face-to-face audience. So prepare, ladies and gentlemen. So let me raise my camera a little bit and so where am I? There I am. First. Oh, I guess my marker. I hope this one works. So you will have one more writing assignment. I was thinking 3 or 4. Now, previously, every week, I made the face-to-face students do a writing assignment. But things have changed. I learn. Students learn in different patterns. So we don't need a writing assignment every week. What you do need is a challenging reading and writing assignment. So I did, so far 3. The first one, 1 week. The second one, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. And this one, 3 weeks, almost 4 weeks. A little more difficult in the reading. And I've been focused on getting you to write stories. Now, now we communicate using stories. Short stories, long stories, continuing stories, episodes. Your project challenge has been learning how to work together. Some teams, I feel, have really learned how to work together. Other teams are stuck in Chivichan land. You're still looking at English as a punishment in junior high school and high school level. So you don't really talk to each other in Japanese. And you don't help each other. And it's reflected in my logbook, in the videos. Now, next week and the weeks that follow, I'm going to show you what you look like on screen. The virtual world will get bigger. Ladies and gentlemen, listen to me. You have to learn how to do this. You have to, because your career will depend on it. If you want to work in a 21st century company, in a 21st century job, you have to learn how to do this. If you don't, you will work in a convenience store your entire life. Convenience store jobs are important, but AI eventually will make convenience store jobs disappear. So what do you do then? You can't stop the rain. You can't stop the sun. And you can't stop business from evolving. So big business has learned, because of COVID, the efficiencies of the virtual world. The efficiencies of the virtual world. And they're not paying attention to how communication is happening, how good communication or bad communication is happening. But they will award, reward individuals who learn how to use the technology. In a sense, movie star, TV star, presentation star. But, ladies and gentlemen, it's not about talent. It's about remembering to look at your camera. It's about remembering using your voice. And it's remembering how difficult it is to gather information from 2D. Now, when you're 30s, more than likely 40s, probably 3D projection will be available. I know professors that are trying to develop usable, flexible 3D projection technology. It is very difficult. But it is possible. Right now, it's only laboratory games and fantasy movie illusion. But not this. What I do, how I do it, I learned in 3 years. And all of you are much better at computer use than me. I'm a Gigi. If I can do it, every one of you can learn how to do it better than me. And I will take a bow and feel good about myself because I helped you be better than me. A good teacher's goal. Make the students better than the teacher. So, the virtual world is continuing to enlarge, and you will take part in it more and more. Be careful out there. Wear your masks in crowds. This is vacation season for many Western countries. Western visitors are coming to Japan. But in Europe and America, the summer COVID clusters are happening. And they are happening here too. This whole environment that we live in now is caused by COVID-19. Nature. We need to respect nature more. I do. My mask is in my bag. When I leave my lecture room, the mask goes on. Situational awareness. Facial expressions are important. When we, my voice, so not enough. Ladies and gentlemen, I will see you face to face live next Wednesday, 13th, third floor. Be careful out there. Take care. Goodbye.